Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bigo Live account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Bigo Live application and make sure you're logged into your account first. Once you're logged into your account and you are in your home screen, go to the human icon in the bottom right corner and click it on. From your profile page of Bigo Live, scroll all the way down and click on the settings button. Now, from this page, go to Account Management. Under Account Management, at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a link that says Delete Account. Click on that. Now enter your password into the text box to make sure that it is you who's deleting your account. Make sure to type it in correct and click Next. You can also go enter your phone verification code. Click on the other verification methods and from the pop-up at the bottom, click on Phone Verification. Now click on the Send button right next to your phone number. Wait for the verification code to be received on your phone number, and once you receive it, type it into the verification code text field. After you type in your code, click on the Next button. After you reach to the next page, you'll need to go through the information first and click on Confirm and Continue to make sure you'd like to delete your account. And now, go through the information one more time. Click on this little circle at the bottom where it says I have read and agreed the agreement of account deletion. If you'd like to delete your account, remember that after deletion, you'll no longer be able to log into your account or reactivate or restore the account. You won't be able to get a refund on any items that you have purchased after deletion. Your profile photos, videos, messages, comments, and other digital contents will be permanently deleted and cannot be restored. Simply go through what it has to say first and then click on Delete Account at the bottom right to confirm your deletion. Now click on Delete Account one more time into the pop-up, and your account will be deleted successfully. That is how you'll be able to delete your Bigo Live account if you no longer want to use it on your desktop. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.